As men age, the prostate gland, a small walnut-shaped organ located just below the bladder, can undergo changes that lead to an enlargement known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. This condition affects a significant portion of the male population, particularly those over the age of 50. When the prostate becomes enlarged, it can lead to urinary problems and discomfort. Natural remedies like herbs have gathered attention for their potential effectiveness. So let's dive into some natural remedies known to help shrink an enlarged prostate. Number 1. Turmeric. Let's kickstart our natural remedies with the vibrant and powerful spice known as turmeric. Beyond its culinary uses, turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which holds remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin works as a natural anti-inflammatory agent, alleviating inflammation throughout the body. In the context of prostate health, this compound has shown potential in managing the symptoms associated with BPH. By reducing inflammation, curcumin can help alleviate discomfort and promote overall prostate health. Studies have suggested that regular consumption of turmeric can help manage BPH symptoms such as urinary frequency, urgency, and weak urine flow. Several studies have explored the effectiveness of turmeric in promoting prostate health. These studies suggest that turmeric and curcumin have potential protective effects against prostate cancer development. While more research is needed, incorporating turmeric into your diet may offer promising benefits for prostate health. However, consult with your doctor first before you decide to add turmeric to your diet. Turmeric can have some side effects or interactions with medications. Number 2. Saw Palmetto. We cannot talk about natural remedies for prostate health without mentioning saw palmetto, a fan-favorite herb for BPH symptom management. Saw palmetto's primary mechanism of action is its inhibition of the enzyme 5-alpha reductase. This enzyme converts testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, DHT, contributing to the development of an enlarged prostate. By inhibiting this enzyme, saw palmetto can help regulate prostate gland growth. Saw palmetto supplementation has proven to be effective in reducing DHT levels and subsequently reducing prostate size. This reduction in size can ultimately contribute to improved urinary symptoms associated with an enlarged prostate. Saw palmetto's anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent contender for managing BPH symptoms. Research has suggested that saw palmetto supplementation can lead to improvements in urinary symptoms, including increased urine flow and decreased nocturnal urination. Number 3. Pygeum Africanum Extract. Another powerful herb on our list is Pygeum Africanum Extract, derived from the bark of an African tree. This extract contains compounds that have been associated with numerous benefits for prostate health. Pygeum Africanum Extract possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which make it an excellent option for managing BPH symptoms. The extract can help reduce inflammation in the prostate gland, limit oxidative stress, and neutralize free radicals that contribute to prostate cell growth. One of the primary benefits of Pygeum Africanum Extract is its ability to improve urinary symptoms associated with BPH. The extract can help reduce urinary frequency, improve urine flow, and promote healthy bladder function. This can lead to greater comfort and increased quality of life for those dealing with BPH symptoms. Pygeum Africanum Extract operates by reducing inflammation in the prostate and regulating growth factors within the gland. This regulation can limit prostate cell growth and help prevent the development of an enlarged prostate. Additionally, it can help reduce pain and discomfort associated with BPH symptoms. Number 4. Watermelon seeds. Another surprising contender in our list of natural remedies for prostate health is watermelon seeds. Often discarded, these tiny seeds hold some impressive benefits for the prostate. Watermelon seeds possess diuretic properties, meaning they can stimulate urine production and help cleanse the urinary system. This can be particularly helpful for individuals experiencing urinary tract symptoms associated with BPH. Watermelon seeds have been recognized for their ability to aid in detoxification by flushing out toxins from the body. This cleansing action can contribute to overall prostate health and alleviate certain symptoms associated with an enlarged prostate. By promoting healthy urine flow and supporting the detoxification process, watermelon seeds may help reduce urinary tract symptoms often experienced by individuals with an enlarged prostate. Adding these seeds to your diet can be a simple and natural way to support prostate health. Before we proceed to the next natural remedy, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 5. Red clover. Our next natural remedy on the list is the sweet and delicate red clover, known for its isoflavone content. These phytochemicals exhibit estrogenic activity and have proven to be an excellent ally in promoting prostate health. The isoflavones in red clover possess estrogen-like activity, which can be particularly helpful in managing hormonal imbalances within the prostate gland. By mimicking the effects of estrogen, red clover can help balance hormone levels, thus promoting prostate health. The estrogen-like effects of red clover are known to reduce prostate cell growth, limiting the chances of developing BPH. Studies have shown promising benefits in managing BPH symptoms, including a reduction in urinary frequency and urgency. Red clover's antioxidant properties make it an excellent contender for alleviating oxidative stress in the body. Additionally, red clover may contain anti-inflammatory effects that can help reduce discomforting urinary symptoms associated with BPH. Number 6. Pumpkin seeds. Let's move forward on our natural remedy journey with a tasty and nutritious ingredient, pumpkin seeds. These little powerhouses are packed with essential nutrients like zinc and phytosterols, making them a valuable addition to prostate health. Pumpkin seeds are a rich source of zinc, an essential mineral for maintaining prostate health. Zinc plays a crucial role in hormone regulation and supporting the proper functioning of the prostate gland. Additionally, pumpkin seeds also contain phytosterols, which have been associated with potential benefits for prostate health. Zinc from pumpkin seeds plays a key role in regulating hormone levels, including testosterone. This regulation contributes to the prevention of excessive prostate cell growth and reduces the risk of developing an enlarged prostate. By helping to maintain prostate size, pumpkin seeds support overall prostate health. In addition to their role in hormone regulation, pumpkin seeds offer benefits for urinary function. They can help improve bladder control, reduce urinary urgency, and promote healthy urine flow. Furthermore, pumpkin seeds' anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce inflammation in the prostate gland, alleviating discomfort associated with an enlarged prostate. Number 7. Ryegrass Pollen Extract. Our next herb comes in the form of ryegrass pollen extract, which is derived from a blend of pollens from various grasses. This unique extract has shown promising results in supporting prostate health. Ryegrass pollen extract is a combination of pollens from different grasses. This blend of pollens is carefully formulated to offer specific benefits for prostate health. Ryegrass pollen extract has been shown to have a rapid impact on improving urinary symptoms associated with BPH. It can help reduce urinary frequency, urgency, and nighttime urination. Additionally, this extract has demonstrated the potential to reduce the size of the prostate gland, promoting overall prostate health. The exact mechanisms by which ryegrass pollen extract operates in the body are still under investigation. It is believed to act through hormonal pathways, influencing hormone levels involved in prostate health. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties may contribute to the observed benefits in managing BPH symptoms. Number 8. Ginger. Now, let's explore the wonders of another powerful herb called ginger, the natural anti-inflammatory herb with magnificent antioxidant powers that may hold some prostate benefits. Throughout history, ginger has found its place in traditional medicine, particularly in addressing urinary issues and soothing inflammation in the prostate. Ginger, with its unique blend of goodness, possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable ally for those seeking prostate health. By reducing inflammation and combating oxidative stress with its antioxidant properties, ginger can contribute to a healthier prostate. Traditional medicine has long cherished ginger as a way to alleviate urinary issues and alleviate inflammation in the prostate gland. The natural compounds present in ginger work harmoniously to provide relief and promote comfort for those experiencing prostate-related challenges. While scientific research on ginger's direct effects on the prostate is still ongoing, preliminary studies suggest that ginger holds promise in supporting prostate health. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties have caught the attention of researchers, hinting at its potential as a natural aid for prostate-related concerns. So, as you savor the aromatic flavor of ginger, remember its potential benefits for the prostate gland. Consider incorporating ginger into your meals, beverages, or even explore ginger supplements under the guidance of healthcare professionals. Let nature's golden gift enhance your prostate well-being and add a touch of zest to your journey of vitality. Number 9. Stinging nettle. Let's explore the impressive properties of stinging nettle, an herb with a sting that offers remarkable benefits for prostate health. Stinging nettle interferes with the conversion of testosterone into DHT, a hormone associated with prostate enlargement. By limiting DHT production, stinging nettle helps regulate prostate growth and supports prostate health. Stinging nettle possesses notable anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate discomfort and inflammation in the prostate gland. This herb has shown potential in supporting the management of BPH symptoms, including reducing urinary frequency, improving urine flow, and mitigating prostate-related pain. Stinging nettle's ability to promote healthy urine flow and reduce urinary frequency makes it a valuable addition to any natural approach to managing BPH symptoms. Incorporating this herb into one's routine may help overall prostate health and urinary function. Number 10. Lycopene. Lycopene, a natural pigment and powerful antioxidant found in tomatoes and other red fruits, has been studied for its potential benefits in various health conditions, including prostate health. Lycopene is known for its powerful antioxidant properties, which can help protect cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Oxidative stress is believed to play a role in the development and progression of BPH. Chronic inflammation is another factor implicated in the development of BPH. Inflammation within the prostate gland can contribute to the enlargement of the prostate and the associated lower urinary tract symptoms, LUTS, experienced by men with BPH. Studies have suggested that lycopene may possess anti-inflammatory properties, which could potentially help alleviate inflammation associated with an enlarged prostate. Number 11. Green tea. Green tea, known for its antioxidants, is a superstar among beverages. It contains a group of compounds called catechins, with a specific one called epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which holds significant antioxidant properties. These powerful catechins play a vital role in neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage cells and contribute to overall prostate health. EGCG, the star player in green tea, has shown promising potential in inhibiting the growth of prostate cells and inducing apoptosis, which is the programmed death of these cells. By regulating cellular activities within the prostate gland, green tea can help prevent or manage symptoms associated with benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Multiple studies have highlighted the benefits of incorporating green tea into your daily routine for prostate health. These benefits include reducing urinary symptoms commonly associated with BPH, inhibiting abnormal growth of prostate cells, and supporting overall prostate health. By enjoying green tea as part of your regular diet, you can tap into its healing properties and take a proactive step towards maintaining a healthier prostate. It's always a good idea to consult with healthcare professionals to determine the best way to incorporate green tea into your lifestyle, considering your unique needs and preferences. Number 12. Zinc Supplements. Now let's turn our attention to a vital mineral that plays a significant role in prostate function: zinc. This essential nutrient serves as a key player in supporting optimal prostate health. Zinc is involved in various processes within the prostate, including hormone metabolism and prostate cell function. Adequate zinc levels are crucial for maintaining the health and size of the prostate gland. One of the vital roles of zinc in prostate health is its ability to inhibit the conversion of testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, DHT, within the prostate tissue. High levels of DHT have been linked to prostate enlargement. By reducing DHT levels, zinc helps regulate the growth of the prostate gland. Studies have shown that zinc supplementation can lead to decreased prostate size and reduced inflammation. This may result in improved urinary symptoms associated with an enlarged prostate, such as improved urine flow and reduced urgency. Please keep in mind that it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before adding any new herbal remedies to your health regimen, especially if you have any existing medical conditions or are taking medications. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and for more amazing videos, subscribe to our channel.